Good morning, students. Next topic is basic accounting terms. 6 point assets. Assets are the properties. These are tangible asset and intangible asset. And it is owned by an entity or business. They are economic resources of the business organization. Example of asset are land, building, machinery, furniture, stock, debtor, cash, bank balance, trademark, copyright, goodwill. Some of the assets are fixed asset, means tangible asset, and intangible asset. Tangible assets are those assets which cannot be which can be seen and touched. For example, furniture, machinery, building, etc. And non-tangible assets are which cannot be seen and touched. For example, goodwill, copyright, trademark. Now definition. Assets are future economic benefit, the right which are owned or controlled by the organization or individual, according to Finney and Miller. वो कहते हैं कि एसेट फ्यूचर के इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट के लिए होते हैं जो कंट्रोल किए जाते हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के थ्रू या फिर इंडिविजुअल के थ्रू. Now some characteristics of fixed asset are: first, it should be owned, that is property by the business. It may be tangible, physical form or intangible form. Third, it should have some value attached to it. Some value होती है इसकी. It should be capable of being measured in money terms. अब इन्होंने बोला है एसेट क्लासीफाई किए जाते हैं नॉन करंट एसेट में, करंट एसेट में और फिक्टिशियस एसेट में. नॉन करंट एसेट मीन्स non-current assets are those assets which are held by an business, an entity or business, not with the purpose to the resell but held either as investment. कि ये सेल के लिए नहीं होते बट इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए ये होते हैं नॉन करंट एसेट. फिक्स एसेट में कौन से हैं? नॉन करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट जो होती है, लॉन्ग टर्म लोन्स, एडवांस एंड अदर नॉन करंट एसेट हो सकते हैं. Yes, do not be confused. What is non-current asset and fixed asset? Non-current assets and fixed assets are both are same. Furniture, machinery, building, computer, laptop and so on. The things, the good or asset, goods नहीं बोलेंगे, asset, which can be seen and touched are fixed asset. Is it clear to all? Current asset क्या होते हैं? Fixed asset. Now you can read from your book. It is classified into two terms, tangible and intangible. मैंने आपको पहले बता दिया tangible में क्या होते हैं, ठीक है, which can be seen and touched. Intangible means those assets which do not have any physical existence. जैसे कि गुडविल है, आप इसको you cannot see and touch, you just feel. Computer software, trademark, extra. Right? Now current asset. Current asset means those assets which can be converted into cash in a very short period of time. This is known as current asset. An example of current assets are cash, bill receivable, debtors, stock, etc. Right? Now, fictitious asset. Fictitious assets are those assets which are neither tangible asset और nor intangible asset. ये ना तो tangible asset होते हैं ना intangible asset होते हैं, but they are losses not written off. इसका loss होता है, written off नहीं होता. Example of fictitious assets are deferred revenue expenditure such as advertisement expenditure. These are known as fictitious asset. ओके ये टेंजिबल ना होता है ना इंटेंजिबल होता है, बट इट इज़ अ fictitious asset advertisement which you have seen on the television. Okay. Classification of asset in the case of company as per schedule 3rd of the Company Act 2013. ये शेड्यूल के अकॉर्डिंग आपको बताया कौन से करंट एसेट है, कौन से लायबिलिटीज़ है, अकॉर्डिंग टू कंपनी एक्ट 2013. राइट. नेक्स्ट 7 पॉइंट इज रिसिप्ट. रिसिप्ट मीन्स दैट अमाउंट which is received or receivable for selling of asset, goods और service. ठीक है, जो आपको रिसिप्ट मिलती है आफ्टर सेल ऑफ गुड्स सर्विस, उसको आप क्या बोलोगे? रिसिप्ट. रिसिप्ट आर फर्दर क्लासीफाइड इनटू 2 टर्म्स, रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट एंड कैपिटल रिसिप्ट. रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट मीन्स or receivable amount in the normal course of business, say against sale of goods or service or investment of business, and these are shown in the profit and loss account. Capital receipt means those receivable amount which receive from the transaction. These are not revenue nature. These are shown in the balance sheet. For example, sale of machine, building, furniture, investment, loan, etc. These are capital receipt. Now 8th point is expenditure.